Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Azizul bin Ladin, a senior lecturer in Faculty of Engineering, University Malaysia Sabah. Today I will be presenting my research entitled, A Computer-Based Application Advisory System for Bicycle Safety at Campus Towards Sustainable Transportation. The objective of the study: 1. To collect and analyze related information regarding bicycle safety and causes of accidents among bicycle users through literature review and interview with transportation expert. 2. To develop an interactive computer-based application advisory system for bicycle users at campus that will help them to get information about bicycle safety. 3. To verify, validate and evaluate the computer-based application advisory system for bicycle safety at campus area by reflecting the acceptance of the end users. Moving to problem statement. This study is conducted based on several factors. Number 1. The increasing number of bicycle users in campus area will lead to the increasing number of accidents among cyclists. Number 2. There were no interactive media have been developed for delivering information related to bicycle safety, specifically at campus area. Number 3. There were no conventional bicycle safety advisory system is verified, validated and evaluated after its development. Moving on to methodology. Starting with source of knowledge acquisition. The information was retrieved from many sources such as journals, reports, books, and interview with experts who have worked in the area of road safety or traffic engineering. Then, every data gathered will be analyzed and reasoned. Finally, the relevant data was then retrieved and codified to create the knowledge base into the ASBS system. Next, creating questionnaire. Firstly, proactive measures in advance to ensure procurement process runs well and information is acquired. Because knowledge engineers may face a variety obstacles, including expert non-availability and time constraints. To save their time, they only select their most preferred answer based on the problem given. Also, the questionnaire method make them flexible to answer during their free time. Next, the development of advisory system for bicycle safety, ASBS system. Firstly, the purpose of creating ASBS system is to give advice using computer-based method to the end users, students and staffs who are cycling around campus areas. Second, the ASBS system assists in providing guidance to end users in order to increase their awareness on bicycle safety. Lastly, it helps cyclists in making their best decision in order for avoiding accidents when encountering situations that leads to an accident. Various strategies were explored throughout the development of this advisory system, including data collected from books, journals, and topic experts. The information acquisition step is crucial in developing the optimal approach for avoiding bicycle accidents in campus. The information gathered was programmed in Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 for creating the ASBS system. The flow chart shown here is to illustrates the procedures involved in establishing an ASBS advisory system application. ASBS system assists in guiding end users to increase their awareness of bicycle safety. As a result, several activities must be done and followed by a series of actions to steer end users toward the optimal approach properly. Generally, there are 8 steps involved in this advisory system for bicycle safety, ASBS system, as shown in the figure. In overall, this flow chart shows the relationship between the parties involved in the development of ASBS system. The Advisory System for Bicycle Safety (ASBS) system was developed using Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 software with Visual Basic Language. This figure shows a summary of the architecture of the ASBS system. In general, there are 4 main windows in the ASBS system. Firstly is the main menu. The other 3 main windows can be accessed from this window. Users can directly go to the advisory system window to obtain solutions for their problems or concerns. Then users can go to the library window to access another list of causes of accidents and solutions suggested by the ASBS system. Meanwhile, an About System window explains the ASBS system and shows information about the application developer. As the importance of a system's simplicity has been emphasized, system design, architecture, and even aesthetic value have been noted as factors to consider. The first step is system verification. The system is verified when the knowledge engineer satisfies the programming works and the system's design before proceeding to the next step, which is validation. The validation step is crucial to ensure the solutions provided are accurate, reliable, and consistent with its intended performance. The process of validating SBS system is done by distributing questionnaires to expert evaluators. These experts must have minimum of 3 years of experience in the civil engineering field. When all questionnaires have been filled in, the answers are compared with the solutions provided by SBS system. The comparisons between these two are necessary in order to detect any discrepancies, and to how many percentages if there are any. The Table 5.1 shows the comparison of solutions to the causes of bicycle accidents, whereas Table 5.2 shows the comparison of solutions based on each category. The similarities of both answers are compared by observing whether the solutions provided by SBS system are present in the solutions provided by evaluators. If all of the solutions from SBS system are present, it considers 100% similar. Then, if 2/3 of the SBS system solutions are present, it is considered 67% similar. Meanwhile, if only half of the solutions from SBS system are present, then it is considered as 50% similar. If none of the solutions from SBS system are present, then it considered as different. The bar chart shown here is the result of the similarities of solution provided between SBS system and expert evaluator. The pie chart illustrates the total percentage of similarity between the answers provided by SBS system evaluation experts, in which it summarizes the findings of bar charts. According to the findings of the pie chart, the vast majority of answers are same. The second majority is composed of 67% of the population, the third majority is 50%, and the alternative option does not constitute a majority among the three. Thus, it may be inferred that the majority of SBS system answers are comparable to those of expert evaluators. Consequently, the SBS system has passed the validation procedure, and the solutions it offers are deemed valid. After the SBS system has been completely developed based on data collected from a literature study and a domain expert, as well as the developers' established criteria for the advisory system's architecture, the SBS system is evaluated among its intended end users, who are students in campus. The evaluation is done via a user feedback form. In this form, all aspect or criteria of SBS system are evaluated. For each aspect or criteria, the user would have to give a rating from 1 to 5. 1 indicates that they are least satisfied or heavily disagree, while 5 indicates very satisfied and heavily agree. In a nutshell, SBS system has passed the user's evaluation test, and the solutions provided has been validated by expert evaluators. The bar chart shows the summary of users' evaluation. From the evaluation conducted, it is found that all of the respondents rated 4 and 5 for SBS system in terms of its effectiveness in providing solutions and their likeliness to recommend SBS system to their colleagues. In the evaluation form, 4 stands for satisfied and agree. Meanwhile, 5 stands for very satisfied and strongly agree. Then, in terms of SBS system's user-friendliness, interface, and ability to educate, it is found that all of them gave a rating of 5, which signifies highly agree or very likely. Overall, all of the respondents are satisfied with SBS system. It can be concluded that SBS system received great feedback from its targeted users. Hence, it is ready to be used by end users. Lastly, conclusion. Through the developed advisory system named SBS system, the problem or causes of the bicycle accidents can be prevented by cyclists, drivers of motorized vehicles, and improvement of facility and surroundings of bicycle route by authority and community. Road safety around the campus area can be improved for the increasing number of bicycle users around campus, especially among students. The development of SBS system, it will help in creating sustainable transportation, because it will attract people to use bicycle as their mode of transportation. Other than that, SBS system will also help universities to promote active transportation among students, as it helps to create an environment that is safe for cyclists, thus reducing air pollution and encouraging sustainable transportation in campus areas. That is all from me, thank you.